Ehara I te mahi māma ki te whiu kōpere. Engari mā Haupai Puha, he mahi kai parawa.
Yeah, there's no perfect dart, there's no perfect throw, but the more you practice, the more work you put in, the luckier you get.
He kanohi kitea a Puha ki te ao whiu kōpere. Ko ono tau tēnei uri o te tai rāwhiti e uana ki ēnei mahi. A koia te tangata tuatahi no Aotearoa kia whiwhite kāri PDC. Kia āhei te uru ki ngā whakataetai motuhake. Ko tā Puha, I ahu mai ona pukenga mai te heti.
I used to play darts in the garage with mates and family back when I was in Wellington. Myself and my family moved to Christchurch after the rebuild, and I had to work weekends, so golf got kind of put to the side, and I just thought, what else can I spend some time doing? I rang up the local workmen's club and I asked them if they had a dart team, if I can come along and play. They said that the season had already started, but come and throw some darts with us and we'll slot you in. So went down there, threw some darts. They chucked me down in one of the lower grades, and I ended up winning that grade that year.
Ia Puha e whakawhanake ana I ona pukenga, I a kona e ia I raro I ngā parerau o tētahi toki o te ao whiu kōpere.
When I first moved to Christchurch and I started getting reasonably good, there was a guy here, Bernie Smith, who was one of the best in New Zealand at the time, and he was looking for a pairs partner. So he asked me if I wanted to pair up with him. So we started travelling all around New Zealand and we were winning.
Aha koa te pō waiwai o ngā whakataetai. He tairo nui kia noho tawhiti a Puha mai I tōna whānau.
It's hard. Just the trip that I'd just been on a couple of months away. I missed a funeral, I missed my son's 10th birthday, I missed Christmas. So there's a lot of sacrifices, but my family support me and the goal, it's our family goal, so it could potentially be a big change for us.
Kua riro a Puha I tōna kāri PDC. Engari, ka aha ia I nāia nei.
I have to sort out a sports visa, going over into the deep end, away from family, by myself, and trying to smash it.
Hei te pupuere ka timata anō tōna kaupeka mō te whiu kōpere, a e aki ana I ngā toki o tēnei momo hākinakina, puta noa I te ao. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.